Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: API-enabled Adobe Analytics, OAuth client credentials, and Power BI desktop ready. First action, create an OAuth integration in Adobe I/O using your Adobe IMS org. Note client ID, secret, and configured redirect URI. Once done, grant the integration permissions for Analytics API and generate a private key if required. Make sure to record the report suite ID you'll query. These steps let Power BI authenticate securely and pull authorized data rather than relying on manual exports. Next, you construct the middle pipeline, the API query and data shaping. First, craft a JSON request for the 2.0 reporting API including metrics, dimensions, and date ranges. Keep pagination and segment ID in mind. Then authenticate via OAuth to get an access token. Use it in an authorization header. Test your request in Postman or a small node/Python script to validate response shape. Once responses look correct, you'll map the JSON structure for Power BI's Power Query transformations. Finally, you load and finalize in Power BI. Use getDataWeb, paste the API endpoint, and supply the authorization header bearing your token. Alternatively, build a custom connector or use Power Query M to handle token refresh. Then expand nested JSON, convert arrays to tables, promote headers, and set types. Once visuals are built, publish to Power BI service and configure scheduled refresh with a gateway if your token or endpoint requires network access. Troubleshooting tip: if data stops refreshing, recheck token expiry and redirect URI mismatch first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.